Nvidia, ticker symbol NVDIA, earnings are out. Time to buy the stock? Well, it was no surprise to see Nvidia reported another strong quarter with earnings per share, also known as EPS, of 81 cents, topping the expectation of 75 cents. The growth, well, it's been absolutely staggering for the business, considering sales rose 94% on an annual basis. While impressive, the growth is decelerating, considering the previous 3 quarters saw sales rise 122%, 262%, and 265% respectively. The company's Q4 forecast calls for further deceleration as it is looking for year-to-year growth of about 70%. Given the fact that these numbers have gotten larger and larger, next year should see even further deceleration in that growth. It has been remarkable what Nvidia has been able to achieve, but I still do not see much upside for the stock, considering all the positivity that is currently reflected. While the growth has been phenomenal, the stock is up close to 200% this year alone, and it has catapulted itself to become the largest company by market cap as it did pass Apple. The business is strong in many ways, but for me, it really comes down to what is a fair valuation for Nvidia. Currently, the stock trades at over 30 times estimated earnings per share for January 2026, which definitely does not make this company a value. Big concerns I would have if I owned the stock outside of valuation would include the company owns this AI market. What could future competition look like? Also, too, Nvidia had a gross margin of 74.56% and an operating margin of 64.7%. There is not much likelihood for expanding margins, and in fact, I believe it is much more likely they contract. Also, the large customers like Microsoft and Amazon need to see returns on these massive investments. If they don't show progress next year, could that slow the investment cycle? Lastly, what happens when this investment cycle ends? People have speculated we are still early in the AI build-out, but let's say it lasts another 3 years. What happens after that? Does Nvidia's earnings have staying power, or will they see a massive decline as the build-out slows? Congratulations if you have held this stock, but as a value investor, I'd have to recommend staying away. I'm Chase Wilsey with Wilsey Asset Management. If you like these videos, be sure to give it a like or comment, and feel free to check out our other YouTube videos and weekly newsletter for the latest economic news, expert analysis, and market insights.